Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I just finished doing a live stream and I thought, I want to talk to you guys about some tips and tricks to just how I regulate myself and make my days better and flow easy. So let's come along and chat with me. Seems like we're always picking up after someone. Can anyone relate? But I want to talk to you about taking care of your house, your family, your husband, but you have to take care of yourself as well. So let's talk. I wish I could say this was staged, but it's so not. Like, this is real mom life. This broke, but Asa left it here. Someone used paper towels, didn't change that out. Why do we have a Nerf gun, guys? Why is that in my kitchen? Sunglasses, like, and a cat on the counter all the time. All the time. As you guys know, we work from home, so I need something convenient, quick, easy. Thank you to HelloFresh for sponsoring today's video. You are gonna help me by being more efficient, so let's get cooking. So while we're going over our mom tips today, we are gonna cook these burgers. I'm super excited to have this. The coupon code and link are gonna be down in the description below. If you click on that, you're gonna get 10 free meals off your first month of HelloFresh. So check it out. Come over here and look at these burgers while I'm cooking. They look so good. Yum! Some of the things I really like about HelloFresh is that it's like, there's no thinking about it. In our family, it's what do you want for dinner? And everybody struggles with that. Now, they have 3 items to pick from every week. I'm like, hey, pick a picture, Abby. So we like that part of it. It's so easy, guys. Like, it makes us... Oh, there's my timer. It makes us think outside of our wheelhouse on things that I wouldn't typically pick out for us. Alexa, stop. And so I really like that we can, try new things. Because if you have picky eaters, which I don't, but if you did, this might be something fun for them to try out. It's one less thing that we have to think about as moms, so I'm all for it. I love cooking, full course homemade meals for my family, but every now and then you just need simple, easy, quick, healthy, good ingredients. So sign me up. We're gonna get finished plating up here and have our efficient lunch. We have a couple of things that have changed on our schedule, so that brings me to our next tip, and we will discuss that at lunch. So one of the things I would highly recommend is sitting down as a family on Sundays and going over your weekly schedule. Now, I have to say, we are not the most organized family, but we are trying, and it has been so beneficial for us. So I love that, and it gives you that quality time together. So as a mom, you're getting double bonus there. So I did go ahead and buy planners for everyone. And I know you're probably thinking, you have this. We do have this. But for us, it becomes a distraction sometimes. So planners work better for us because then you can't get on TikTok, Facebook, all the things that we're not supposed to get on all the time. So it's focused and everyone is on the same page. Get it? That was Summer's joke. I stole it. Well, that's all I can eat, so now we're on to our next tip. You ready? Next tip, keep a to-do list. First of all, we like that instant gratification of checking it off, and that kids are home and it's chaotic, and now I don't have to worry about what do I have to get done. So, to-do list, love it. So I like to keep the to-do list on my phone because it keeps everybody organized. Everyone has access to it, and they can see my to-do list and add things to it. Right, guys? Right. Another benefit of to-do lists is you get things done quicker, so then you have time to do family things.
The dog pulls you down.
Right? We cooked twice today, which is awesome because now I have leftovers. I have the HelloFresh meal, which I'm going to send that with Abigail, and I have dinner, which I'll send with her the next day. So she's going to love this burger, and she really likes those potatoes every time we get them. That's her go-to. So make sure you prep the night before. That way if you're running late in the mornings, which we typically are, then you're ready to go, and that's just one less thing you have to stress about in the mornings. Everything is ready to go. I'll pop it in the refrigerator, and then in the morning I just throw it in her lunch bag and she's good to go for the lunch. It saves about 10 minutes doing this, so I'm telling you, do it at night. All right, guys, this is my last tip. This is the one you've been waiting for. Self-care. I've got my water, got my remote for my Law and Order, TikTok, maybe checking Facebook, like things that aren't business related. Self-care. It doesn't have to be going to a salon and spending hundreds of dollars. Just take time for you. That is my tip to you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you again to HelloFresh for sponsoring today's video. Make sure you go down and get your 10 free meals. And we will see you next time. Bye, guys. Now I'm going to be a horse's ass.
I was recording when he said that.